Okay. So, shush. Okay, so I'm gonna do a video of a minute of my randomness from starting from point A to point 13. Yeah. Jackie.
What?
Give me something, tell me something random. Give me a random thing.
Beans.
Beans?
Yes.
Okay. See, it's at 0. Okay, here we go. Ready? Beans are really good. They're in chili, and chili has like meat, and meat comes from cows, and so Jackie has a cow, and she's like my best friend and stuff, but she smells bad or something. I don't know. But oh my god, we go to concerts together. Oh crap, I'm totally going to something. No! Okay, I just touched the camera. I can't touch the camera. That's like against the rules. I don't know. I named my camera Claude. I named my stuff names. Like this is Walter, and my computer is Zoof, and this is not my hat. Plunger. This is an inside joke with Jackie too. Oh, it tastes really bad. Like rubber bands. I used to wear those around my wrists and stuff. And oh my god, I need 2 more bracelets. Jackie, are you gonna bring me those bracelets?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, and my head itches. Oh my god, Rubik's Cube, Dan Brown. Haha. Okay. I can't include things I'm looking at. That's against the rules. There's no rules though. And oh my god, I have 47 seconds left. Oh my god, in 3rd hour I was making recordings and I was like, oh my god, freaking out because it was like fun and stuff and I don't remember and I'm totally like tweaking or something. Oh my god, Tweak was on South Park and it was a really fun show and stuff. Oh, okay. It's a minute. 2 seconds. I didn't really go. That didn't go the way I thought it would.
No, that sounded too planned.
It wasn't planned.
Well, it started off planned, and then you were like, oh my god, concerts, and then you were totally somewhere else, and I was like, oh.
It didn't start off planned.
Well, it sounded like...
Oh, who's calling me?
I don't know, but your mommy said she was waiting for an important call.
Yeah.